Hey everyone, welcome back to the TraderLion channel and welcome to the first ever 2-minute Tuesday tutorial where it's basically a race against the clock for me to explain an idea and concept in under 2 minutes. So today, let's go ahead and start that clock right here. Today we are starting with the TraderLion Enhanced Volume Indicator down here, as we can see in TradingView, and we have versions for TradingView, TC2000, as well as Thinkorswim. The link will be down below in the description. And what it basically is a visual representation of very important volume signatures within a stock's price and volume action. And on TradingView, you can go over here to indicators and just search TraderLion's Enhanced Volume, or click the link down below in the description. So starting things off, the first thing I want to talk about with this is these lime green bars here, which represents pocket pivot volume signatures. And a pocket pivot is a day where we have a strong closing range. So we close near the highs of the day and we have volume greater than any down volume within the past 10 trading days. And this is basically a sign of institutional accumulation. And I love to see this at the bottom of the base, as well as when a stock starts to move up the right-hand side towards all-time highs. And for more info on pocket pivots, we have a complete video on that. So go ahead and click that link down below or up above right now. But basically we've got NVIDIA here. Here's a quick example. We've got pocket pivots right here as it starts to move up, then once more right here, and then a ton as it finally starts to move up towards all-time highs and break out and go on this tremendous run. So that is the lime green bars here. Definitely what you want to see within a base as well as on the breakout. So next up, we've got the low relative volume down arrows right here, which identify when the volume is much lower than usual compared to the previous period. And this is especially powerful in conjunction with tight price action, either in handles or at the bottom of bases. And here we've got an example with Zim. After its IPO run, it forms a high tight flag. And within this consolidation, within the short base, we've got a bunch of low relative volume days, which basically signal when sellers have kind of dried up, and that kind of completely shifts the supply and demand dynamic in favor of higher prices if we do see a lot of volume, a lot of demand coming in, which we do see right here on the breakout. You can see pocket pivot volume signatures. Then it moves up, tightens up once again. And once again, we see down arrows signifying a dry up in volume in conjunction with tight price action. We basically got almost 2 inside days. This may have taken out this day's low, but then we start to see it move up on higher volume. And then on the true breakout, once again, pocket pivot volume signatures signifying a lot of demand, institutional demand coming into the stock. And then we have a nice trend upwards. So finally, we've got the highest volume ever. And let's bring up pins as an example. And this is especially powerful in conjunction with a news catalyst such as earnings, sales pre-announcement that basically changed the perspective of institutions about a particular stock. And this characteristic is extremely powerful. We see that here with pins. After some consolidation, we go on a nice run of over 100%. Similarly, if we go to apps, this had a very strong highest volume ever breakout here, which started an enormous run from basically $7, $8 a share all the way up to 80, 90 even. So definitely keep an eye out for this HV if you are using this on TradingView. So that's a quick explanation of the TraderLion Enhanced Volume. And once again, we've got versions for TC2000, TradingView, and Thinkorswim. The link is down below in the description. Let me know if I beat my time here and stayed under 2 minutes. And once again, thanks for watching. Remember, leave a like down below and subscribe if you are new. I'll see you guys in future videos. Thanks.